So Behringer looked at every band rehearsal where the singer screamed, "I can't hear myself," and said, "Fine, here's a box. Argue with yourself now."
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
The Behringer P16HQ is a 16-channel personal monitor mixer made for musicians who want control of their own sound without begging the sound engineer like they're asking for emergency oxygen. It uses Ultranet, so one Cat5e cable can carry 16 channels and power. It also brings a 114 decibels D, a converter, backlit buttons, EQ, pan, mute, solo, presets, and a headphone amp that is supposed to be cleaner than the older P16M. On paper, this thing sounds like a peace treaty between musicians and the sound guy. The drummer can turn up click, the singer can turn up vocals, the guitarist can turn himself up because, let's be honest, he was going to do that anyway. Sweetwater lists it as a 16-channel digital personal mixer, and customer reviews there rate it around 4.5 out of 5, with users saying it is great for letting artists control their own headphone or in-ear monitor mix. Basically, less hand-waving on stage, less angry pointing, and fewer "bro, I need more me" moments. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Because yes, the P16HQ is simple once it is working, but the setup can still make beginners stare at cables like they just discovered ancient wiring from a spaceship. Reddit users comparing the P16HQ with the older P16M say the HQ has a much quieter headphone output, which is a big win. But you still need to understand what works with your mixer, Ultranet ports, and possible extra gear like a P16D. So yes, it is easy after the first small panic attack.
Damn!
Amazon Marketplace listings show strong ratings, with one listing showing about 4.6 out of 5. And Thomann users also praise the P16HQ for being easy to use and beginner friendly. But here comes the scary music. Trustpilot reviews for Behringer and Music Tribe are rough, mostly complaining about customer support, warranty help, and slow replies. So, the verdict? The P16HQ looks like a strong upgrade if you already use Behringer gear and want cleaner personal monitoring. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.